Hi! Today I will show you how to fix a damaged USB cable on this Logitech G710 mechanical gaming keyboard. This guide will also be useful for fixing the USB cable on any keyboard or computer mouse. If your keyboard connection becomes unstable when you move the cable near the keyboard or USB connector, it means the cable is damaged. To fix your keyboard, you will need to replace the USB cable. A link to a replacement cable is in the video description. The next step is to disassemble the keyboard. Sometimes the screws can be hidden under stickers or rubber feet. In this case, no screws were hidden. After removing the screws, use a plastic tool to carefully open the keyboard housing. It's held together with clips. Then disconnect the front panel cable and remove the panel. This keyboard is different from others because it uses a dual USB connector with a very huge cable. One USB plug is for keyboard working and the other is for the built-in USB hub. In my case, I only want to restore keyboard functionality since I don't use the USB hub. The right side connector is the one responsible for the keyboard. Disconnect both connectors and pull out the old cable. It won't be easy because it's secured with a small screw. But since I don't want to completely disassemble the entire keyboard, I will break the cable out. The next step is to take a replacement USB cable with a connector of the same size and check if the wiring matches. As you can see, the wiring doesn't match for the hub connector, but it matches for the keyboard connector. The yellow wire is for ground. It's usually black. Once the new cable is connected to the keyboard, plug it into your computer and test if the keyboard works again. At this moment, I'm happy to see that my favorite keyboard is working. If you also want to restore the USB hub functionality, you will need another replacement USB cable. Just remember, you will need to change the wires correctly inside the connector. Trim off any excess rubber from the new cable. Now it's time to secure the new cable. This is the hardest part in this repair process because the original cable was much bigger in diameter. Remove all wires from the connector to make it easier to slide on some heat-shrinking tubing. Cut and stretch a few pieces of larger tubing. Attach them to the cable. Repeat this step until you build a bump out of heat shrinking that's big enough to fit snugly into the hole in the keyboard housing. Then reinsert the wires back into the connector, making sure they are in the connector color order. Connect the new cable and use the super glue to glue cable bump in place. This will prevent the cable from being pulled out and damaged again. For extra strength, I also use some hot glue. Reconnect the front panel, reassemble the keyboard and screw everything back together. And that's it! Congratulations! You have successfully repaired your keyboard by replacing the old damaged USB cable. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments under this video. And now, good luck!